This is the HELEMAN 6-piece magnetic small screwdriver kit. Let's take it out of the box. In the box we get a case with all of the screwdrivers. This latch is closed, as you see. It won't spill everything out. You slide this guy up and then you can open the case. And as stated, there are 6 pieces of screwdrivers in here. So what you get are 3 Phillips, 3 flat. What sizes are they? Well, you kind of have to know the sizes to know exactly what you're getting. I'll show them to you in better detail in a moment. But you get a double-aught Phillips, single-aught Phillips, and a number 1 Phillips. And for the flat, you get a 2mm, 2.4mm, and 3mm. As you can see, they are all color-coded, so you don't have to guess. If the blue one is the one that you need for your particular project, then you just know that that particular one, you'll get to know in time that the blue one is that particular item. They're marked in the case, but also marked on the screwdriver itself, as you see right there. This is being the double-aught Phillips, real tiny bit. Also have spinner caps on the ends, like that, which aids you, because as you see, I can turn it, and this rotates like that to make it more comfortable to use and faster as well. Also included is a magnet, as you see right here. So that's good for a couple of things. Sometimes you like a magnetized bit, so you can just run that over the magnet a number of times. Just go in a straight line like that, and this bit is now magnetized. Simple like that. If you have only a few screws you're dealing with, well, you can toss them right there also. They'll stick to it and kind of stay captive. If you're getting back to the project at a later time, you can close that and even latch it, and that way you won't lose any of the screws. So let's go test this out now. So here's a laptop. We'll take a couple of screws out. First thing I'm going to do is magnetize this screwdriver. So we'll just kind of run that along on the magnet a number of times. Spin it around as you do it. We'll turn this here. And there we go. And take that right out. You see how I can spin it just like that, and the screw stays like that, which is really nice. Now I can put the screw on the magnet. It'll stay there. And we can go ahead and take out another one right here. Similar story right there, like that. And then you can, of course, screw them back in as you would with any other screwdriver. It's a nice, positive fit. These bits fit this well. I know these are number 1 Phillips. That's why this is the PH1 screwdriver. And it's a nice fit in the head of the screw. I don't feel like it's going to strip out or cam out of the screw at all. It's in there nice. The spinner cap is good. They don't spin the greatest, and if you wanted to fix that very simply, you just put a tiny bit of oil in there, like sewing machine oil. Just a little bit of oil would make them even that much better, just to ensure that they work at their absolute best. Even with the short shank, you can see that even a recessed screw like that, there's plenty of shank left on that, so it should be long enough for most repairs. Let's do something else now. So here's a pair of glasses here. The only problem is I can't see what I'm doing when I'm not wearing them, so I have a headset magnifier that I use for close-up work like this, and this screwdriver will fit it. Interestingly enough, something I never really noticed is these look like they could take a Phillips or a flat, but we're going to just use the flat. That's good right there. And then this one here, I can go in there and try that. That's pretty good. Let's take one of the Phillips ones here. We'll try a single-aught Phillips. I don't know if that's the right size. No, that one's too big. So we'll try the smaller one here. That's the right one. Yep, nice and tight. And now these arms don't flop around nearly as bad as they did. This is just a cheap pair of reading glasses that I use for the computer, but that worked reasonably well for that as well. All of these screwdrivers are Chrome Vanadium Steel, so they should hold up to the most demanding of tasks. Convenient magnet, once again, to magnetize the bits or to hold a couple of small screws. Just a great small set of screwdrivers to have around the house for your average pair of glasses or small electronics repair that might come up. Once again, this was the HELEMAN 6-piece magnetic small screwdriver set. If you'd like to purchase this item, I'll leave a link in the video description where you can find the item available for sale on Amazon. Thanks for watching. Make sure you click like, make sure you click subscribe, and take care. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.